Alright, so got a new lock, just landed in the post, thank you Amazon. Thought fuck it, flip it, never mind playing my language. I'll just roll the camera, open the pack and try and pick it straight out of the pack, see what happens. So either it's gonna look like a legend or an absolute plonker, either way. Makes for entertainment. There we go. It's a little Brinks jobby. Nothing too secure in it, I suppose. Normally I would start off with a little, just rake it and see what happens, but also we'll do that. It's 5-pin, I don't know if there's any securities in it. It just says 5-pin on the back of the pack. Okay, so we go. Straight in from the top. It's nice and snug. It's so hard to pick on camera and be able to see what I'm doing. Looks like a bit of a false set, so maybe there are some security pins in there. Didn't expect that for the price. Short hook in there. There we go. Not too embarrassing.